Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in again. It's just a update video. I need to try and work out how to get another clip thing for my tripod because the one I ordered is the wrong one, and yeah, they haven't replaced it or refunded me my money. So anyway, now the goer is I've got one of my local followers, Nick. Thanks Nick for doing and giving it a go for me. I will just curve that out a little bit more. But anyway, it's just a sample. Um, and that, so that's all the beads put into the floor pan and that, so it then I can get there and go along and put in this lip up here, fold this edge here, and that sort of stuff, and then fold that edge. Well, it's not folded, but I've got to curve it. So, on to the next subject. Now, because I'm needing to curve that panel, and I don't have a roller to be able to roll it or anything like that, what I'm actually in the processes of making, Gene Winfield, I think his name is, uses them, or come up with it, I don't know, but it's like a pipe anvil. So I went and got two different sized pipes, and that from the scrapyard yesterday. Two beefy beam bits. Thanks to my mate Eric, had the disc rotors in the scrap pile, to give it the balance and the sturdiness. So basically, notched out that area, just sits in there. I'm thinking I might notch this end out too, I'm not too sure yet, but we will come to that conclusion later. And that, because the old welder is playing up a little and it's just annoying me. So I've clean up for the day and get back onto it tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing there. I will go over how I make my templates, and that, to show people what I've done and all that sort of stuff to get the templates to the and that. So that's just a quick little update video. It's not much. I understand it's not actually work on the Ute or anything like that. I'm having to try. Well, I've got people that are interested in the rear floors. I've got to try and finish that sample off, clean it up, prime it, all that sort of stuff, so I can take photos of it. For the people that are interested, let me know, because I'm needing to take the orders so I can get a new bead roller. If not, I've got to try and modify this bead roller that I've got, which takes funds, as everyone knows. I've got the orders there, it's just got to be able to work out how I'm going to get the money together to get the bead roller. So yeah, but anyway, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comments, but no negative comments. But if you have an idea on how to do something better, or possibly might help me, then let me know. But just, I don't like the negative comments, and that sort of stuff. So positive comments. I am trying to work on trying to find money to get a Bluetooth wireless mic, but yeah, I don't know where to look. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, cheerio.